Want to sound smarter in English? Learn these three thinking words. Number one, contemplate, meaning to think deeply about something. Example, she sat quietly to contemplate her next move. Number two, ponder, meaning to think carefully for a long time. Example, he pondered the question before answering. Number three, rationalize, meaning to explain something logically even if it's not fully true. Example, we often rationalize our decisions to feel better. Which word describes your thinking style? Comment below and tell me.